Hey guys, haven't heard from me for a long time, but it's me again, 7C. In today's video I will show you a fast but risky trading strategy on a 5 seconds time frame. Watch the video carefully and try it on demo on your own. Let's step into it. First we select the indicator. We only need the Bollinger Bands and the RSI. For the RSI we do not have to change the settings. I just change the colors for a better view. For the Bollinger Bands we change the period to 17 and the colors also. I like it in clean white. The expiration time we select it to 15 seconds and the chart time frame to 5 seconds. So, how does the strategy work? Before I will tell you how, I want to tell you that I have a Telegram group where I give signals every day with a winning rate of 95%. It's 100% for free. Check it out and make some crazy profits with us. Now watch how the strategy works. Link is in the bio, check it out. First we have to check the RSI. Is the line over the blue line, then it means that the market is overbought. If the line is under the blue line like here, so it means that the market is oversold and the trend should go in the other direction. So firstly we check the RSI indicator. Here in this moment we want to trade the reversal in the up direction, so we check if the market is oversold. We also check the Bollinger Bands indicator. Is the trend under the Bollinger Bands, so it's a good sign to trade against the momentum. Is the trend inside the Bollinger Bands, so we will wait for the breakout of it. In this moment the market is oversold and the trend broke the Bollinger Bands. We will hit a trade in the direction up. Let's see. Perfect, it's a win and we made profit. Hope you understand the strategy. I will show you some more trades. Like before, trend broke the Bollinger Bands and RSI is overbought. Let's take a put trade. Profit again, next trade. In this trade I saw an opportunity, because the trend had not break the Bollinger Bands, so I put a trade in the up direction. The RSI was a bit overbought, but still good to trade. Sometimes you have to risk something to win in life. As you can see it's in profit again and we are good in profit from the first trade. Let's take another one. Here I saw another opportunity, because the RSI still was overbought and already broke the Bollinger Bands some candles before. I was in good spirits that this trade will go in profit. My prediction has worked and we are in profit. Was close but a win is a win. Straight after the trade I saw that the RSI is still a bit in the clear area, so I took the trade in down direction because the RSI is going down. Clear win and profit again. You have to backtest the strategy and need to get to know the strategy better to make good profit. Let me show you some more trades. Next entry, RSI overbought, broke the Bollinger Band some pips, so it's a signal in the down direction. Profit again, beautiful. Again, RSI is going up, Bollinger Bands already breached. Signal in up direction, let's see. Profit over profit, nice. Here in this situation the RSI is again overbought, the Bollinger Bands broken through. Signal in the down direction. Profit, let's make another one. I don't want to say it over and over again. But here also, RSI going down, Bollinger Bands broken through, you already know. Clear profit, money and risk management are very important. I will show you one last trade again. Here I waited for the Bollinger Bands to break the area. The RSI was already crazy overbought, so there is a 99% chance to win this trade. Let's see. It's like magic, only it depends on probabilities. Nothing is 100% certain, but you can predict the market a little bit. That's it for today's video. Try this strategy on demo first. Hope you enjoyed watching. See you in the next video, your 7C.